Have you ever told like this to yourself? If at all I was born to rich parents, then I would have gone to those uh, places, traveled throughout the world. I would have gone to that restaurant which is so costly. That's okay because I'm born to rich parents, right? Or I could have do whatever, right? Purchase a lot of things even though it's work together. So have you ever thought, if at all you were born to rich parents, or have you seen people thinking like this, if at all they were born to rich parents? What about this? If at all I was born to intelligent parents, even I would have got those genes, and by default even I would have become more intelligent. What about this? If at all I was born to beautiful parents, then even by default I would have become more beautiful. All those things, right? Have you seen this? We are in that taking mentality. Most of us, by default, are in that taking mentality. If that person had given to me, if had been married to a person who is very rich, all these things, so that I could have got this, I would have got this thing. But just think, instead of thinking what I can get, and what I can get, if at all you reverse it, what if your children are going to say, if at all they were born to rich parents, what are you going to do about it? Tell me, if at all if your children crips to some other person, some other person, right? If at all they were born to rich parents, will it hurt you? Yes. Now the question is, why you are not able to become wealthy? Why you are not able to save money? It's not only about money, whatever, character development or intelligence, whatever, right? Upgrading your skills. Do you want your children also to crib like how you are cribbing, if at all you are cribbing? And if you're not, great, there's no point seeing this video. So this video is for all those people, because even I was a victim, even I was like that. Even I have thought, if at all my parents had a lot of money, I could have traveled throughout the world, right? But then the day I got a thought, see, I'm a person who asks a lot of questions to myself. That's a very good habit, okay? Because I ask a lot of questions to myself, I brainstorm and tend to get lots of answers as well. Anyways, so what I was saying, yeah, my children should not think, if at all they were also born to rich parents. It really hurts me. So I decided that I will create a legacy. But to create a legacy, I have to be a problem solver and all those things. I have to upgrade my skills. I have to be good at what I do. All those things are fine. So the question is this: don't be in that taker mentality. Take, 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 take. Enough. Be in that giver mode. Give, 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 give. The more you give, the better you become. The better you become, again, the more you give. Because now you become more capable. Trust me, the more you give, the more you will receive. That is the fact. I have experienced it in my own life. Right? So, from today, right? Shift your attitude from what I can get to what I can give. It is okay if you still think what I can get, okay. Let it be lesser percentage. What I can give, let it be more percentage. Trust me, your life is going to be for the better. Okay, friends. Take care. Spread this message with your friends, at least those 3 friends whom you care for. Subscribe to my channel. Let's keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye.